Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into Lemomlife. So I'm kind of on a filming roll today. I got this request a while ago and I meant to do this video so long ago, but I'm just now getting to it. So to the subscriber, I'm so sorry, but thank you for the request and I did not forget about you. So today I'm going to share 3 tips that I use to keep my house clean and organized. So let's jump right in. My first tip is to make a list of your top priorities for the week. The thing to remember is to keep a clean house, you don't need to clean everything all at the same time. You just need to always be mindful of the areas that you need to address. So I like to make a list of my top things that I need to get to that week, and I work towards those things. So my number 2 tip is to compartmentalize, meaning you pull from that list of top priorities, dedicate a day to it or a few hours, and you work on it until it's done, and then you move on to the next compartment. And that's how I manage to get everything clean around the house on a weekly basis. I'll even sometimes give myself a deadline, like by Friday I want to have all these things clean, all these areas organized, and then by the weekend we get to just enjoy a really nice organized clean house. It's ready for the next week and we're good to go. My number 3 tip is to get to messes quickly. Now with 2 kids, that is the only way this house can stay clean. When they drop crumbs on the floor, I just make sure I create some time to go and vacuum them up right away so they don't just sit there and pile on over and over again. Now, what I'm not saying is that you need to be cleaning up behind your kids all day long. Obviously that's not realistic, but it is possible to make sure you get to those messes quickly. So if I just gave the kids a bath, I know I gotta clean the bathtub. So maybe sometime during the day when they're both napping, I'll go and I'll clean the bathtub. So it's not just sitting there for the next day. So that's kind of how I keep everything clean. And for example, the bathroom is a place that you don't necessarily have to clean after every use, but I like to just tidy up and clean up the soap scum around the tub so it doesn't just pack on and pack on and pack on, and then it's 10 times harder to clean at the end of the week or at some point. So the tubs are a great example. I keep our tubs clean on a daily basis. They may go maybe a couple days until I can get to them or hubby can get to them, but I never let our tubs go like a whole week and we've never touched it in one way or another. Vacuuming crumbs, that's something else I don't delay on. I clean them up right away because those are things that can't wait. There are certain things that can wait. So like this playroom that I'm sitting in, that's been messy for quite some time. It's nice and neat now, but it's been messy. But there are other things that just can't wait. So to reiterate, you want to make a list of top priorities. You want to compartmentalize, dedicate time to each priority for that week. And you want to get to messes quickly, and that will ensure you have a very nice and neat and clean and beautiful home. I hope these tips helped you guys. I will see you in the next video. If you have any other cleaning organization type requests, put them in the comment section. I promise I will try to get to them as soon as possible. But guys, it's been a struggle. It's been a struggle trying to get this video done. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!